Hello everyone, welcome back to channel The Caffeine Diaries. I am Nikita, your online bestie, and I honestly did not plan of making this video, but I just felt like talking, so here I am. Because suddenly it hit me that there are just 40 days to prepare for boards. And there is a lot much on our platter for the next 30 to 40 days, because we are giving our pre-boards, and then we need to prepare for our practicals and viva. Then the very main event where we are very excited about the farewell, and it sounds so unreal. Like just 40 days. I remember thinking about both that they were so far away, and now we are literally counting days. And these days feel very different. Everything is just heavy and exciting, and I just feel so overwhelmed about everything. And because some days I feel so confident, like I've got this, but some days it feels like, what if I forget everything in the exam hall? Because I know myself, I'm giving exam for last 12 years, and I've always prepared and been that kid who's like really hardworking, but results were never up to the mark. So it's like a very very good pattern that I forget everything in the exam. And no matter how much hard I try to remember, recall, and those techniques, but it never does work for me. So I don't know what to do. And I think this is the phase where almost everyone feels the pressure, the overthinking, the motivation, the decrease in the motivation, and it's all very real. Right now, my focus is just to practice properly, like the PYQs. My teachers are also paying so much pressure. They're paying so much stress on practicing PYQs, because I also feel like practicing PYQs of any exam, may it be competitive exam or your school exams, it just gives you an idea of how the paper is going to come. So, and I also gave my pre-board exam just day before yesterday, my physics pre-board exam, and honestly, it went better than expected. But let's just wait for the results. I do not want to sound overconfident, and I'm not saying it was perfect, but there were some questions where I did not have to, think. I had practiced this very same kind of questions, but there were some questions where I had to, think and think critically, and it was so much time taking. I remember I was giving exams like this exam, and it was so much time taking. I was writing the whole 3 hours in just one go. It was so difficult. Oh my god, I don't want to remember anything of that. And I'll make a very separate video, very separate detailed video of how my physics board exam, and I discussed there like how it went, what all I learned, and what all I need to change in my strategy to prepare for physics. And next, the very farewell thoughts. Like I'm very excited about it, but this is the part where it feels like very strange. Why? Because we've spent so many years. Like I've not spent so many years. Like I spent so many months in the very same school and same classrooms, same corridors, same benches, and suddenly it's ending. Farewell isn't about dressing and preparing ourselves, looking great, but also that like we are losing the place where we had most of our friends, and it was so much better there. Like it was an escape from so much around in and around our house, and a lot more. But school has never been a very great place for me, I'll be very honest. I'll It's like a very mixed feeling. Like I also feel very bad that my school era is ending, but also I'm very happy that okay, school is over, because no one would be more happier than me when my school will end, and I guarantee you this. So I feel like yes, I'm a bit too paranoid, and also I have not started anything, like no shopping at all, and I'm really paranoid about it too. And I think I might be just overthinking, but I've not started any preparations for the farewell, and I'm really worried that I don't have to do anything at the last minute, which is actually a very great thing. And I hope that I would document my shopping for the farewell, because I honestly want to. And I'm seeing so many videos of farewells and all, so I want to recreate them also, and it really feels so good. Like school is over. My half of the problems were coming from school, and I'm really happy that it's over. Finally, after so many struggles and so much all that I faced from because of school, it's over. Finally. So yeah, that's it. Just wanted to talk, update, and share what I was feeling and what was going on in my life. More study related videos are coming and pre-board analysis videos also coming. We'll get through these 40 days. And if you're also preparing for boards, all the best. You've got this. I'll see you soon in the next video. And if you're new in this on this channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So bye guys. Take care. Love you.